In order to run JavaScript, it needs to be in a host environment. Usually that's the browser, but it can be on the server as well with Node.js, but in our case it's gonna be the browser. So anyway, I have this index.html open here, which you can open as well from the source files. And to actually include JavaScript in here, there are two ways. The first way is to have script tags. So I'm gonna have script tags like so inside of the body here. And now I can have some JavaScript in here. I'm gonna say console.log, parentheses, single quotes, and say this is run by JavaScript, like so. And this console log is used to log messages to the console in the browser. This is an object and this is its method, and don't worry about objects and methods and so on. We're gonna get more into that during the course. For now, just follow along. So anyway, if I now right click anywhere in here, I can go open with live server to use that extension, and you can just double click the index.html on your file system and open it. It doesn't make a difference. With this, I'm just gonna have automatic refreshes. So here it is, the local host and the port number, index.html. And if I right click, inspect, and go to console here, I see this is run by JavaScript. Okay, so it's all good. And this error here is to do with that live server extension. So if you're not using it, or if you're using a different version depending on when you do this course, you might not see it. It's still running, but it works, but there's this error and there's no way to get rid of it right now, unfortunately. So anyway, script tags and JavaScript in there is one way. And another way is to use an external JS file, which is usually the better way to do it. So to include an external JS file, I'm gonna create a new file, that is, and call it app.js, so that JS extension is for JavaScript. And I'm gonna copy this line and paste it in app.js and just add here from app.js, like so. And to actually include it, I'm gonna say script again. And in here I'm gonna add src for source and include it. So app.js. And now after refreshing, I can see here this is run by JavaScript from app.js as well. So both methods work, but including an external JS file like so is the preferred way. And by the way, I have autosave on, so whenever I move focus from a file, it gets saved automatically, and the live server refreshes it. Refreshes the browser, so that's the way it works. If I write something here now, and go here, it refreshed automatically, and here is that gibberish I just wrote. Okay, so depending on your editor or IDE, you might need to save the file each time. That's up to you. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. See you in the next one.